Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about 9 benefits of star fruits for extraordinary body health. Star fruits is a fruit that comes from the country with a tropical climate. The fruit is yellowish when it is ripe, with the form of fruit that much loved people. Star fruit's fruit tastes very refreshing, so often processed into a variety of recipes. In addition to the taste that shake the tongue, star fruit's fruit is also very good for health and also provide benefits for beauty. The benefits of star fruits for health. Star fruits is one of the richest exotic fruit benefits. About 100 grams of star fruits provides 31 calories, much lower than for other popular tropical fruits. In addition, a number of essential nutrients, antioxidants, and vitamins contain a number of star fruits' benefits for health, such as the following: nutritionantu.com, star fruit, Carambola, nutrition facts, accessed the 20th of November, 2014. Number 1. Enhances digestion. Fruit along with star fruit skin provides a supply of dietary fiber. Fiber helps prevent the absorption of LDL cholesterol in food in the gut. Fiber will also help protect the intestinal mucous membranes from exposure to toxic substances by binding to cancer-causing chemicals in the colon. Star fiber's fiber content makes digestion healthier and avoids the risk of colon cancer symptoms. Number 2. Cancer prevention. Star fruit benefits provide vitamin C, which is a preventive against the onset of cancer symptoms. Star fruit contains vitamin C in large quantities. Vitamin C is a powerful natural antioxidant. About 100 grams of star fruit will give 34.7 milligrams, or about 57% of the daily vitamin C intake. In general, the benefits of fruits rich in vitamin C will help the human body develop resistance to infectious agents, free radicals and anti-inflammatory for the body. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Star fruit is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, polyphenols. Some of these important types of flavonoids include quercetin, epicatechin, and gallic acid. Total polyphenols in this fruit reach 43 milligrams or 100 grams. These compounds help protect from the effects of free radical damage. Number 4. Enhance enzyme work. In addition, star fruit is a source of vitamin B complex such as folate, riboflavin, and pyridoxine, vitamin B6. Taken together, this vitamin helps as a coenzyme factor in metabolism as well as supports various synthetic functions of enzymes in the body. Number 5. Overcoming high blood pressure. Star fruit contains a number of minerals and electrolytes such as potassium, phosphorus, zinc and iron. Potassium is an important component of cell and body fluids, which helps control heart rate and blood pressure. Thus, it will suppress the adverse effects of sodium. Healing of hypertension is mostly done with star fruit therapy, by consuming it regularly. Number 6. Overcoming kidney disorders. If someone has complaints of kidney disorders, then star fruit can be consumed because it has a very high concentration of oxalic acid. Scientists consider it an anti-nutritive compound, such as interfering with the absorption and metabolism of some natural minerals such as calcium, magnesium and so on. Number 7. Reduce bad cholesterol levels. Star fruit contains pectin substances that reduce cholesterol in the blood. Pectin binds cholesterol and secretes bile acids on its secretions. Of course, this is very good for people with diabetes symptoms. Number 8. Benefits star fruit for beauty. As well as the content described previously, star fruit is able to prevent and handle various health problems. In addition, the benefits of star fruit is also used as a beauty treatment. The following are: star fruit provides another good nutrition for hair. Star fruit is an excellent natural remedy for hair loss because it is a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C that can help delay the aging process. Vitamin B complex, very important for hair growth and helps in keeping hair strong and healthy, widely available in star fruit. Fruit star fruit or star fruit directly on the skin of acne or oily skin as a face mask. Star fruit contains zinc that reduces the tendency of acne. It is fully recommended for people of all ages because it has antimicrobial effects. Number 9. Star fruit nutrition content. Star fruit is the most abundant content of vitamin C, as contained in the benefits of oranges, the benefits of lemon and guava benefits. Vitamin A in star fruit produces good antioxidants for the body. Other building materials, such as minerals, folate, fiber, here are some of them. Calories. 1 serving of star fruit is equivalent to about 2% daily value for calories, assuming a daily diet of 2000 calories. Carbohydrates provide about 30 calories in 1 serving of star fruit. Carbohydrates. Star fruit contains 9.5 gram of carbohydrate per serving, including 2.5 gram of dietary fiber. Star fruit gives 3% of daily carbohydrate value and 10% of daily fiber requirement. Protein and fats. 1 serving of star fruit contains 1 gram of protein, which is 2% of daily requirement. Star fruit also has 1 gram of fat, which provides about 2% of the daily value. This fat content is composed entirely of unsaturated fats. Star fruit does not have saturated fat, trans fat or cholesterol. Vitamins and minerals. In 1 star fruit it contains 24 mg of vitamin C, or 40% of daily value for vitamin C. Provides about 15% daily requirement of vitamin A. The iron content in star fruit is about 0.36 mg, or 2% of the value daily. Star fruit contains calcium, potassium or sodium. Various benefits of star fruit can we get by consuming it, but we still have to be wise when eating it. Star fruit is sweet, because the glucose content, so it is not good if consumed in excess. Consumption of a variety of fruits can be better, rather than concentrate on just one fruit. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.